Hello, so this is the Canon Prima AF-8, one of the best beginner camera to start with, I would say. Battery it uses is AA batteries. Okay, this is the date back for the camera. You can change the date later on. This is where you will replace the battery for the date, and let's go ahead and into the film. Close the cap. If the film is loaded properly, you should see that it goes to number 1 right here. Okay, and then we turn it on. Okay, just like that, we should have another one. So after each tag, you should see that the number goes up by itself lah. Okay. And there's the flash as well. This one is no flash. And this one's the self timer. Okay, so everything works just fine now for this camera. Can show the viewfinder as well, and it uses the extra big viewfinder, so in the viewfinder you can probably see anything. You know, it's quite clear as well because it uses a big viewfinder. Okay. Alright. So yeah, basically that's it. And now I'm going to rewind the film camera as well. There's a button over here. You should see that the film counter, it goes down by itself now when the film is rewinded. Alright, so that's it. Thank you.